Hello everyone. Through this video we'll see what is the use of thread priority in Java. So for scheduling purpose, priority is one of the most important factor. So why actually thread priority is required in Java? So this is a factor used by JVM to decide which thread should run first. If multiple threads are running or available to run, the JVM will do the scheduling by using the thread priority. So based on thread priority, JVM decides which thread should run or execute next. And there is a constant of numbers ranging from 1 to 10 which can be assigned to thread in Java. So there are two methods actually we require to set the priority or to change the priority of a particular thread. Or if you want to know what is the current thread priority, then you can use the method get priority. Okay. And there are three different constants are actually used: mean underscore priority, whose value is 1, norm underscore priority, whose value is 5, and max underscore priority, the value is 10. So beyond 10, we cannot assign any value, error will be thrown. And till now, whenever we have implemented number of examples or programs on multi-threading, we have not assigned any priority. So the default priority is norm underscore priority, that is 5. So till now, whatever the thread we have created, all are having the priority which is equal to 5. Okay. So let's see through the example. Now this is what the example we have tested in our previous video, that is for thread scheduling. We'll copy the same program and we'll modify. Let's delete few things which is not required for this concept. We'll concentrate on thread priority. Okay. Leave it. So we are printing the value from 1 to 10 and current thread ID, let it be there. We can know that which particular thread is currently executing and its run method is being executed. So thread priority, priority. Okay. Now you need to create the object for test thread priority class. So we are just changing the name of the class. We don't know what ID will be assigned. That we'll see through the during the execution process. Okay. But what we are doing, we are creating 3 threads. Okay. So ob1 dot start, ob2 dot start, ob3 dot start. Now let's check what is actually the default priority. Priority of individual threads. But here, instead of name, you will write on priority. Okay. So let's print the third one also. Okay. So what you have done, we are implementing the run method where 1 to 10 value we are printing, and you are using the sleep method so that you can know the sequence of execution one by one after. And here thread dot current thread you are printing the ID because you need to know for which thread currently the run method is being executed. But the most important objective, you need to check the priority of the thread. Okay, so what thread, the default priority is being assigned while the thread is created. Okay, so let's run the file. Done. See, so the message is coming as per whatever we have printed. So priority of OB1 after modification 5, 5, 5. So the default priority is assigned as 5. We have not assigned. So the default priority is being assigned by JVM is 5. Okay. So let's change the message. And currently what we'll do, we'll change the priority. OB1 dot set priority. Okay. And I'm assign the value 2. Done. OB2 dot set priority as 8. OB3 dot set priority as 6. Okay. After that, I am printing again the 3 statements to know whether the modified values are reflected or not. Okay. So we have changed the thread priority. So let's check. Done. Okay. So before modification, all the default priorities are being assigned to OB1, OB2, OB3, that is 5. Now after modification, the values are also being reflected to 8, 6. Okay. So this is what how to get the priority and how to set the priority. Clear? Now one more thing also you can do by using the thread priority constant. Like what? Suppose I am assigning thread dot mean underscore priority, the thread constant. Okay. Similarly, instead of mean, I am writing norm underscore priority. Similarly, I am writing here max underscore priority. Okay. So these are the 3 thread priority constants that I can assign. So again, I am printing after modification. So let's write down the keyword again so that you can understand that this is the last statement. Okay. So first you are printing the default priority, then we have changed the value manually, and then we have printed. Now we are using the thread priority constant to check whether the values are being assigned or not. Okay. Compiled. Okay. Now check. Let the execution being completed. Over. See first the default priority 555. Then manually you have modified some values. So again the priority has been changed. But by using the thread priority constant, now mean underscore priority is providing the value 1, norm underscore priority is providing the value 5, and max underscore priority is providing the value 10. So you can realize that these 3 values are getting 5 means whenever a thread is created, the norm priority is assigned by default by the JVM. Okay. So you can see, so whenever you are operating any thread, example, so thread, while thread programs you are running, now all the thread priority you can set as per your requirement of the application. Okay. So these are 2 methods only, set priority and get priority. You have to understand how you can utilize, and along with the thread priority constant as per your requirement. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching this.